Our durability, reliability, and economy are top priorities for you. Choose from a wide selection of sectional overhead doors in aluminum and steel twin-skinned PU insulated doors. This special kind of door allows people to further customize these doors to your specific project requirements. Thinking where to find these doors? Contact Omnitec Security Systems LLC and have durable, attractive, highly secure and easy-to-operate sectional doors. For any further details, browse www.omnitecgroup.com and check thoroughly. Or simply call +97143332800 and ask your queries directly. And install an industrial overhead sectional door for your commercial building.